Now I can wake up everywhere I want and surf every day. Hi, I'm Lorenzo. This is the road wheel, this is my house. Come in and I will show you around. This is an International 3800 school bus with yeah, 7.3 liter engine. Consumption is like 1 on 4. The length of the bus is 10 meters 75. The bus is from 1994 and it got 200,000 miles on it. And over here we got quite a lot of buttons. Got opening the door, lighting. You got, yeah, of course, the normal lights, radio, speakers, navigation system, engine computer, CB radio.
And the height, it's very high, this bus, huh?
Yeah, it's like 3.30 meters.
And it's the highest schooling you can get, like inside?
Yeah, the inside height is, I think it's the highest, yeah.
Okay.
Unless you find a raised roof one, but this one without roof raise I can stand in, so that's good. Over here we have the original lighting from the old school bus. They were approximately the same spot. And I changed how to switch them on, because before you switched them on off the panel with all the switches, but now I can switch them on from here. And they are now connected to the LED strips underneath the kitchen and the working station. I've got also a remote for these lights. And in the bedroom is also the same switch as over here. So this is the living room. It's got couches, nice table. Couches all have storage underneath. And under here is an off-grid power system. I've got 2 solar panels, 280 watts each. 3000 watt inverter, battery charger of course, and MPPT regulator.
And the battery size?
4 batteries of 230 amps. Nice TV, I can switch the TV around to make a workstation over here. So I can connect my laptop to it, but also I've got an Apple TV and a PlayStation on board. Nice speaker system over here. Now on the table I painted the map of the world, as well on the hood. And yeah, you will find it somewhere else also in the bus. Well, I've got nice curtains here. Made them together with my grandmother. They're closing like that. And only in the morning it takes a while to roll up all of them. Here we've got the kitchen. Nice gas stove on it. 130 liters fridge with freezing compartment. Coffee machine. Big drawers for trash bin, storage and everything.
How much gas you have on board?
I've got 120 liters of gas on board, and a big tank underneath the bus.
So, and you use gas only for cooking?
Yeah, for cooking and the heater.
Okay.
So the heater is inside this closet, the Truma Combi 6.
And how long the gas lasts?
For about 6 months or something. It depends if it's winter or summertime.
Oh, the heater is like not only water heater, but
yeah, it's also for the air. Yeah, over there you have 3 outlets. Under the kitchen are 3, in the bedroom are 2, and in the bathroom is also 1.
And why did you decide to have gas and not diesel?
Because I want to have it separated. I don't want to use my fuel for to heat.
Right.
Just in case if you're a long time on one spot that you don't use your driving fuel. Like I said, I can turn around the screen, and then I've got a nice office, a nice place for my laptop, and I can open this door. So I'm still a bit outside while I'm working. And then here I also have a cabinet for all the stuff, the books and camera gear. This is my closet for the clothes. Over here I've got a panel where you can see what's the voltage of the batteries. Here I can see the water level of the freshwater tank. Here I can see the black water level and the grey water level. And I can switch on and off the water pump. On the other side I've got the bathroom. It's a bit tiny, but it really does the job. There's a nice shower head, a mixing tub, macerating toilet. In the back I've got the bed. It's 180 by 220. I'm quite a tall guy, so I need that space. And there's also a nice hatch in the roof which can open completely. And these windows, they are tinted, so you can't look in, but you can look out. Also on the bed I store my guitar to play some songs at the nice evenings with the bonfires and that kind of things. I've got a nice curtain for the forward. It's like double, so it's good insulated. When I put it on there, then it has a face. So it looks quite funny, right? Over here I put some LED bars, some extra lighting over in the bumper. And I changed these lights to LEDs, which is quite nice because they're much better than the original ones with the normal glow bulb. Then we've got a lot of mirrors. You can see everything. Here's the original stop sign, but I changed it a little bit with surf on it.
It's still working.
I can make it working, but I disconnect it because sometimes while driving it opens by the wind from a truck that's overtaking or something. Yeah, nice original big antenna. Some horns on the top. 2 battery boxes. That one is for the starting batteries. This one is for the household batteries. Electricity power inlet. Extra door for the working station. Oh, for the extra security I installed this tooler locks. Quite easy installing and easy working. Here's my storage. Quite a lot of space. It's like underneath the bed, but it's completely separated from the forward. And this whole area, it's watertight, so I can put my wet stuff in it without getting any problems with rotting wood or anything like that.
And the water?
Yeah, the water is like there's a tank underneath, the fresh water, together with the gas tank.
How big?
It's like 300 liters total,
Fresh
approx.
water.
Fresh water, yeah. Over here we got the outdoor shower. You just plug it in and you have hot and cold water. Here you can put the holder. You can take a nice shower over here. Over here is a water inlet, a gas inlet, and I painted the whole bus blue. Before it was yellow. Yeah, it was an American school bus, so they're all yellow. Here's the outlet for the heater. I put a new exhaust on it. It's completely from here until the turbo, so it's all stainless steel now. On the top I've got a big roof rack made by myself with also a solar panel inside. 2 skylights on it.